Welcome to Banco de Portugal. Founded in 1846, Banco de Portugal is the central bank of the Portuguese Republic. As such, it is an integral part of the euro system, the monetary authority of the euro area, and the single supervisory mechanism, the European Bank's supervisor. Banco de Portugal exercises public powers in an independent and transparent manner. Although it is a public institution, the bank has administrative and financial autonomy and so doesn't resort to funds from the state budget. The annual results of the bank are converted into dividends, which are paid to its shareholder, the state. Banco de Portugal has two primary missions: to maintain price stability and to safeguard the stability of the financial system. On the one hand, as a member of the euro system, it ensures the purchasing power of the currency is maintained. That is, through mechanisms that keep prices stable, it makes sure that over time, the same amount of money buys the same amount of goods and services. On the other hand, it guarantees the stability of the financial system by cooperating with the competent national and international bodies. Being part of the single supervisory mechanism, it works to ensure the safety and soundness of the financial system. In this area, it is regulator and supervisor, defining and applying preventive measures and penalties. Aiming to enhance the financial system's resilience in absorbing shocks, the bank assesses vulnerabilities and considers the adoption of measures that reduce the probability of such shocks materializing. It also seeks to ensure that credit institutions act with due diligence and loyalty and provide their customers with all the necessary information on the products and services they market. Banco de Portugal, which relies on the expertise of highly qualified staff in its various business areas, is responsible for managing the country's assets and reserves and part of the European Central Bank's reserves in cash and in gold. The money that you handle is distributed by Banco de Portugal. It is the bank which issues euro banknotes and puts coins into circulation. It is also responsible for regulating, overseeing and promoting the smooth operation of payment systems, from checks to direct debits and bank transfers. In addition to that, it is also a statistical authority and is responsible for the collection and compilation of monetary, financial, foreign exchange and balance of payment statistics, as well as analyses and economic studies. The bank is also an intermediary in international monetary relations with the state and advisor to the government on economic and financial issues. Banco de Portugal offers various services to the public. If, for example, you're interested in finding useful and knowledgeable information before buying financial products and services, you need only consult the bank customer website where you can find reference information. If you want to know which accounts or loans exist in your name in Banco de Portugal's databases, you can consult your entry in the database of banking accounts or central credit register. In addition to these services, Banco de Portugal's attendance offices on the mainland and in the autonomous regions offer a cash service where you can perform a range of banknote and coin exchange operations and buy commemorative and collector coins. Banco de Portugal also has a library and historical archive aimed at supporting academic research and professional activity, and which are open to the general public for consultation. At its head office in downtown Lisbon are the Money Museum and King Dinis Wall, classified as a national monument, as well as archaeological remains which set the context for this historical find in Lisbon. Transparency is one of the values of Banco de Portugal. It reports to Parliament, the government and Portuguese society about what it does, why it does it and how. Its accountability on its activity, how it acts and its results are an essential complement to the principle of independence, which is statutorily defined. Competence, effectiveness and efficiency, team spirit, social and environmental responsibility are also values which drive the business universe of Banco de Portugal. A universe built with rigor to create confidence, with a past yet modern, working in the present to guarantee a bright future for you and for Portugal.